Here we have a 1983 Buick Riviera convertible. This particular one is powered by the 5-liter 307 Buick V8 underneath the hood, and that has been rebuilt and replaced recently. There's actually a tag that you can see that they put on them when they do it, and that'll be in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where you can check out the still pictures of this vehicle in a little bit. Of course, that 307 is paired with an automatic transmission, and this would have all your usual equipment you'd find in a nicely loaded Buick. You'd have your power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power locks. Of course, these were made for, what was it, a 4-year run? Started in 82, I believe it was. 83, they made approximately 1,750 units. They all would have been white or fire mist. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures, like I'd mentioned, so you can see the engine bay underside of the car, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. And feel free to call us too. You got any questions? 507-386-1726. Now, this does have some of the kind of usual things that we do see on these filler panels in the front. A little spot where it's been cracked, and or they've kind of taped it with a white tape to fix it. Another spot right over here. There also are some extra parts that go with this. I know there's some headlight bezels, looks some like the running lights or blinkers up front, a couple extra grills, and I'll kind of show you that stuff when we get around to the back here. This does have the burgundy leather interior, split, I guess more of a bucket than really a split bench with a center console to fold down armrest. Stock dash, interior appears to be all stock yet. Top is white in color, and it is in very nice shape. Of course, these were not convertibles from the factory. They were built in Linden, New Jersey, and then they were shipped off to Michigan. I believe it was in Lansing, where they were converted by ASC. As you can see, this particular one does have the Continental kit on the rear of it. It is a power top also on that convertible top. Wanted to mention that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, here's some of the extra things that go with this, and like I said, I can kind of go through what it is. There's some Buick sweatshirts there, another radio for it. There was your headlight bezels, taillight bezel. It does have the original window sticker, and I have pictures of that on our website also. There's a couple of the grills I was talking about. Some just Buick memorabilia back here. A couple outside rear view mirrors, service manual, duster, and a wheel cover. It has a lot of the extra stuff that's going with it, so just want to make you aware of that too. And remember, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. We're going to check the miles on it. I believe it was right around that 75,000 mark, 70,000 mark. So we'll go ahead and fire this up and check out those miles in just a second. I wanted to show you another one of those spots in the filler panel back here. Like I said, they have it taped up with a little white tape, but want to make you aware of it. This side appears to be good. Just that one in the rear. Alright, let's check out this interior and we'll fire it up. So carpeting, door panels, everything in nice shape there. No rips on the armrest here. Seats also nice shape. One little seam is given away right here. And you can, like I said, you can see close-ups of this, probably 100+ pictures of this car on our website and online of all different angles, underside, top, engine, all of that. So let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your miles, a little over 75,000, 75,462, and no accidents indicated on the Carfax, and no sort of mile readings over the 75,000. So it would appear that that would be actual mileage. Power top here. Other than that, like I said, that dash is pretty much stock shape. Sounds like you'd expect out of a 83 Buick Riv. It don't sound like any sort of major modifications to exhaust or engine or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop that hood and check out the engine bay. All right, here's that Buick 307 V8 underneath the hood. Wanted to mention too, it looks like it has a new compressor. They did that when they put the engine in, but it does blow cold. It blows ice cold, compressor turns on and off, works fine. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, all your amenities that you'd expect out of a nicely loaded Buick. Here's a smooth runner. So there you go, you're looking for a nice drop top. 1983 Buick Riviera convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website and pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.